शिवानी मैम, कल वैलेंटाइंस है, क्या कुछ स्पेशल यू आर प्लानिंग both of you together?
Well, that's a surprise, so it cannot be revealed.
अच्छा, both of you, I think both of you are surprising each other.
I'm expecting the surprise from him.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, firstly, let's start. How long have you guys been married to each other?
Oh, 8 years.
And
We
how-
just, in fact, our wedding anniversary happened on the 6th of Feb. So we've just completed 8 years.
I would like to know how has the 8 years been with you?
Well, it's been a beautiful journey, and we've traveled the world a lot. Fortunately, we're in the same business of entertainment, so we get to travel a lot together, do shows together, and visit various places. So it's all been fun. Yeah, so it's been all good.
Yeah,
Lovely.
actually, it's been, time has just flown. I can't believe 8 years just went like this because I remember in 2013 we got married, and I still remember, the memories of the Sangeet and the Mehndi and the cocktail party and all the functions. It's still so fresh, and it seems like yesterday. So yeah, the good thing is that since we've been very busy with our respective work and our work together also, so it's been quite a joyride.
Hmm.
8 years of a joyride, ups and downs both obviously, but
Actually, cut कर लो और आप नीचे बैठ जाओ आराम से.
So Valentine's आप लोग के लिए कोई ऐसी मेमोरी हो in this 8 years कि हमारा Valentine's हमेशा ऐसे स्पेशल होता है, वैसे स्पेशल होता है, कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
It's you. It's to you. It's to you.
So I do it with music. I celebrate Valentine's Day with my songs. My songs are very romantic. As you know, Sajna Abhija is very romantic. Ho Gayi Mohabbat is very romantic. And there's a very special song that I'd like to tell you all about. I know all of you have known me for Sajna Abhija and Ho Gayi Mohabbat, but how our romance really kick-started was with a beautiful song called Tumhari Yaad. And in that video, Raji featured, we both featured in the video together. And that's how it all happened.
But it was fun. Yeah.
It was fun, yeah. So I would really recommend all of you, please celebrate your Valentine's Day with the song Tumhari Yaad, where you'll watch both of us and our true romance brewing in that song, in the video.
Absolutely.
Now coming to the point, जैसे आपने बोला कि आप लोग गाने के वीडियो में मिले, we would like to know कि how did you guys begin, both of you?
Let's begin from the beginning.
Yeah, let's know about your beginning.
Yeah.
Please.
Again,
हाँ,
you
आप ही
leave all the
बताएं.
talking to me only.
आप ही बताएं, आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा बखान करना आता है.
No, you're
Very
the
nice.
हाँ.
Take over our Hindi language. We'd like to know, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे
हाँ.
sir.
Well, हम दिल्ली के दिनों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं और अच्छे से काफ़ी चीज़ों में हमने साथ काम भी किया और एक सर्कल भी था हमारा साथ दोस्तों का, तो उसमें इंटरेक्शन था, जान पहचान था. बट 2012 की बात है, ऑन हर बर्थडे, एंड आई हैपन टू बी देयर विद अदर म्यूजिशियन फ्रेंड्स, इवेंट इंडस्ट्री पीपल. तो वहाँ पे हमारे को कुछ लगा कि शायद कुछ है, और हमारे दोस्तों ने बताया कि आई थिंक तुम्हारी केमिस्ट्री है कुछ. और उसके बाद कुछ मुलाकातें हुई, उनका सिलसिला चलता रहा, एंड देन रियलाइज हुआ कि अरे वी आर काइंड ऑफ attracted
Okay,
to each
so
other.
I want to butt in at this point.
हाँ.
So January 12th, my birthday, we there was a little spark which happened, but by February 14th, which was Valentine's Day, we were officially seeing each other. Remember?
Yes.
We celebrated our Valentine's Day with the fact that we knew that we were
Together.
we were together.
Seeing each other.
Yeah, we didn't know if we were going to be together for life, but
I
we
know,
knew that we
हाँ.
were together. Yeah. So
But
that's
I
why
think
Valentine's Day is very special for us.
जर्नी जो होती है इस तरह की, आई थिंक ये अपने आप मोड़ लेती रहती है, तो हम अपने आप ही उस तरफ चलते चले गए और आज यहाँ बैठे हैं आपके सामने वैलेंटाइन डे स्पेशल बनाने के लिए.
जर्नी की बात करें तो 2012 था आपका पहली वैलेंटाइन से लेके आज 8 साल बाद कैसा रहा वैलेंटाइंस हर साल का, डिफरेंट कैसा मनाते हैं आप?
मैं थोड़ा सा ऑफ वैलेंटाइन इसमें रखता हूँ अपना जज्बा दिल कि एक रिलेशनशिप ऐसी चीज़ है जहाँ पे इजहार, मोहब्बत, लड़ाई झगड़ा, इट्स ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ पैकेज ऑफ अ रिलेशनशिप. तो वो तो हर दिन चलता है. एवरी डे इज वैलेंटाइन डे, एवरी डे इज प्यार का दिन, एवरी डे इज लड़ाई का दिन. सो इट इज़ ऑल गेम ऑफ the attraction, the passion, the possessiveness, the madness of pulling each other's hair and everything. वो सब चीज़ों का मिलाकर एक बनता है जो बनता है. सो वही है मेरे लिए. वैलेंटाइंस इज लाइक एवरीडे थिंग, फॉर हर इट्स लाइक अ स्पेशल डे.
क्या स्पेशल है आपके लिए वैलेंटाइंस?
Well, I think I'll always remember the fact that उस दिन हमने अपनी relationship को officially एक दूसरे के लिए मतलब we kind of announced it to each other, not to the world, but to each other. That was our very first official proper date and celebration, and we knew that okay, fine, you know, we are together, and so I'll never forget it. And of course कि वो जो गाना हमने किया था साथ में वो भी बहुत ही romantic है. तो वो हर Valentine's Day पे I definitely you know it kind of gets revived. And yes, we definitely make it a point to go out somewhere nice, make it special, whether it's like a date night or whether we just you know pick up the car and just drive off somewhere and just make it into like a mini holiday kind of a thing. But कुछ ना कुछ तो हम जरूर
हाँ,
करते हैं, साथ में होते हैं.
कुछ स्पेशल दिनों पे स्पेशल सेलिब्रेशन तो
Yeah.
बनता है.
But ऐसा भी हुआ है by the way, कुछ साल पहले I had a concert in Delhi and he had a concert in Thailand, I think you were away. So because उस समय wedding season भी बहुत वो होता है. So we were actually not together, but then you know somehow we always make it up. Like when we meet, we celebrate
जैसे
Valentine's
मैंने
Day.
कहा कि
Yeah.
अगर 14 Feb नहीं है तो कोई और Feb या March या Jan any days
Yeah.
Every day is
can be
Valentine's.
celebrated.
For
yes.
him, yeah, it is like that.
Yeah.
जैसे आपने कहा गाना रिवाइव करता है आप लोग के लिए वैलेंटाइन, so obviously we would like to hear something about the song, like the song I mean.
The song also, and in fact another special thing which I think we'd like to tell all everyone is that how Rajiv had proposed to me on
We
my
will come.
most famous song Sajna Abhija.
We were coming to that.
Oh, you come to that. Because वो हम गा के सुनाने वाले थे
वो
आपको.
बाद
ठीक है.
में पूछेंगे. हाँ.
This is the song जो रिवाइव आपको कर रहे थे, आपने बताया जिसमें हम दोनों फीचर हुए थे.
Okay,
We
done.
will love that
I'll
song
do an
first.
unplugged version of that song.
उस गाने में मैं हूँ लेकिन मैं नहीं हूँ, है ना?
हाँ, he's like an illusion. He's playing like an illusion.
हाँ.
Why don't you sing with me?
I'm in a jealousy mode right now.
It's a song about remembering your loved one, your beloved rather. न जाने कब किताबों से निकल कर के चली आई, तुम्हारी याद जब आई, बहुत Thank you.
Okay, now let's get to a segment. This is small questions and ask about you both.
Okay.
So कुछ दोनों को आंसर करना है. I just ask the question. तो आपके हिसाब से आप दोनों की बॉन्डिंग कैसी है, कि आप दोनों का रिलेशन कैसा है, रिश्ता कैसा है?
Oh, we are like combination of everything, you know. We can't live with each other at times, and we can't live without each other most of the times. Yeah.
No, we
So,
like
yeah,
very
it's-
good
it's
friends.
beautiful.
We're like very good friends also. It's like a true friendship.
And we are
With
real
romance.
mirror to each other, you know, like we are best critics for each other.
Yeah.
So in a way, हम एक दूसरे को अच्छे से आईना दिखाते रहते हैं.
Yeah, correct.
To keep us real.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
One thing about Shivani ma'am that you just spellbound about it. Dude, this is
Oh,
what
she's
I
a
want.
beautiful soul. She's the sweetest person I've ever met. She's like a kiddo at heart. And she's very true to her feelings, and she's a very emotional person. So her emotions are something which really, really, really drive me on.
Thank you. About him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so calm and so composed and so chilled out. Like that's something which is a great foil to my personality. मैं बहुत ही hyper हूँ, over energetic हूँ और बहुत जल्दी I get you know
Hyper.
I'm always hyper actually. So he calms me down, and he's like, I think both our energies really complement each other.
Absolutely. Yes.
So thank you for being in my life. Thank you.
Okay. The first time मिले, the party you were talking about, your birthday party, what was the first impression about him?
ना फर्स्ट टाइम उस टाइम नहीं मिले थे.
you
We
knew
had
had met
known
each
each
other,
other.
yeah.
हाँ.
Okay, so what was the first impression about him? Like,
Many years ago when I met him. Well, okay, so let me tell you this. In the Delhi days, Rajiv used to be a very hot model, very popular model.
For a time. Little bit.
Yeah, he used to. So I'm talking about our young, just out of school, college days kind of a thing. So when I saw him for the first time, I was like, whoa, what a good looking guy. But it never went beyond that because we were more like acquaintances.
तब राहें अलग अलग
हाँ,
थी. जब
राहें
राहें
अलग
मिलनी
थी.
होती हैं तभी मिलती हैं. To make it short.
Yeah.
okay, आपके रिश्ते में सबसे पहले जो झगड़ना, as you said, लड़ाइयाँ ज्यादा
हाँ,
होती है,
हाँ.
प्यार भी उतना ही
हाँ
ज्यादा है.
absolutely.
सॉरी पहले कौन बोलता है?
Sorry.
मैं
हाँ ये हाँ नहीं एक्चुअली मैं हाँ ये बोल देती हूँ.
मैं
क्योंकि मेरी गलती नहीं होती
What nonsense. चाहे गलती इनकी हो या
नहीं.
मेरी हो, मैं सॉरी सबसे पहले बोलती हूँ because I'm like नहीं let's
आई थिंक
Let's
फिर मैं भी
sort
बोल
Let's
देता हूँ
sort it
सॉरी बाद में.
हाँ
थोड़ा
then
time लगता है
I
मुझे.
extract it out of him later but I'm the first one.
पर
I
मेरी
initiate
गलती
the
होती है तो
sorry.
मैं बोलता हूँ. जिसकी गलती होती है वो सॉरी
Okay.
पहले बोल देता है. आई थिंक दैट इज द वे इट इज. नहीं
Well but I know I am the
अच्छा
first
ठीक है
one.
सॉरी.
मैं first आती हूँ.
एक चीज जो सबसे इरिटेट करती है, this is the part जिसकी वजह से लड़ाइयाँ होती है.
एक चीज
एक चीज.
Are you serious?
अच्छा लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू दैट. उसके लिए एक पूरी
बहुत
किताब
सारी
बन
चीजें
जाएगी.
हैं.
हाँ.
So that one thing, like if you change this, maybe हम नहीं लड़े.
नहीं वो एक चीज है ही नहीं. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Basically, I'll tell you one thing about her is that she is very particular about. I would say very particular about कहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए and neatness freak and all that stuff.
I have
तो
an
OCD है.
OCD.
हाँ OCD है
Which
तो
I think
कुछ हद तक मैं भी
Yeah.
क्लीन रहता हूँ ऐसा बात नहीं है बट देन
Oh, right.
शी इज लाइक नाउ
Now.
कि 5 मिनट के लिए भी कोई चीज यहाँ
yeah,
की
I'm
वहाँ
very
नहीं होनी चाहिए.
impatient and
चाहे खुद अपने आप कुछ भी रख दे कहीं भी उसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं होती है. So
yeah but I think it's
about me
about you
what is the most
This-
irritating thing you find about me? बताइए.
the fact that when he the towel is never put on the towel rack after having a bath. It's
That's
always
not true.
thrown on the bed. So that's
That's
the
just for a
thing.
moment, yeah.
Not for a moment. वो लगता है
I
moment
don't
है.
leave it there.
But so that maybe little things like that, like clothes just lying around. I think that's a
जैसे
very
मैंने
boy
बोला ना
thing.
OCD.
That's a boy
5
thing.
मिनट
I
के लिए
guess.
भी तो
Yeah.
boom.
Okay, coming to the proposal as you were talking. कैसा था इनका proposal? Please elaborate करके बताइए.
ऐसा प्रपोजल था कि
इन्हें पता ही नहीं
कि
चला.
मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. तो we were actually in Ludhiana for Ludhiana Fashion Week and we were walking the ramp and I had to walk in singing Sajna Abhija and he had to walk with me together. It was a designer called Jatin Kochar. And so he really surprised me. Took me, I mean, I was quite surprised and taken aback and of course I was really on top of the world. But इन्होंने सजना आबिजा के बीच में ऐसी शायरी कर दी which was like a proposal. So I thought is this for the show or is this the proposal?
इन्हें ये नहीं समझ में आया.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया था. तो let's वो मोमेंट को दोहराते हैं. Yeah. तो सजना आबिजा में एक जो सेकंड वर्स आता है तो उसमें go something like this.
If you can also sing along.
नहीं
आप सुनना ना क्या होने वाला है.
यही तो हमारा वो
नहीं
है
है.
प्रपोजल है. That was the proposal.
पलकों पे ख्वाब सजाना, अखियों से नींद चुराना, रूठे प्यार को हंस के मनाना. पलकों पे ख्वाब सजाना, अखियों से नींद चुराना, रूठे प्यार को हंस के मनाना. ये हकीकत है या कि फसाना. ये हकीकत है या कि फसाना.
हाँ ये हकीकत है न कोई फसाना. हाँ ये हकीकत है न कोई फसाना. इश्क के दो साज हैं रूठना मनाना. हंसती रहो तुम इसी तरह, सजती रहो तुम इसी तरह, गाती रहो तुम इसी तरह मोहब्बत का तराना, ये वादा है मेरा कि रहूंगा सदा तेरा दीवाना। So,
सजना
आ गया,
सजना
आ गया।
Great, amazing. Okay, lastly, any special wishes you want to share with the audience? As
Bhai,
it's Valentine's.
all the people who are celebrating Valentine's Day with their better half, couple, friend, whosoever, still trying to figure out. So enjoy the day completely, and those who are single, don't worry, love yourself, enjoy yourself, and be with your friends. So अगला आएगा, फिर अगला आएगा, तो चिंता की बात नहीं है. It's a day to celebrate love. So
Love, yeah.
just do it with your parents, with your friends, with anyone you love.
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, I'd like to
क्या हार्ट ऐसे बनाते हैं
ऐसे
ना,
बनना।
ऐसे बनाते हैं ना, ऐसे.
Lots and lots of love from both of us to you.
God bless.
God bless you, and bring lots of mohabbat, love and pyar into your lives.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Cheers.
We have one more.